the Tech-53, keeping old school performance alive. What we're talking about at this point is clutch cables for doing the swaps O2A, O2J to do the conversion to a mechanical cable instead of the hydraulic lines. I've had that set up on my race car for about 8 to 10 years right now, and it's flawless. The reason is we pick up the good things and we know what is wrong with this kind of setup and why the cable breaks. Usually what's seen on the market is this type here. The clevis is missing here. But in order for it to work, this is too thin out of the box. This is a modified Honda CRX cable. It's too thin out of the box. So it actually binds on the pedal. And what it does, it will break the cable eventually because the clevis has to turn and it won't turn. Also on the other side, the ball is not the proper size for the Eurovan actuator. We've had the chance to hook up with an OEM manufacturer and use OEM parts on our own design, length, and adjustability of cable for that swap. And we're really excited about this because it's a world first. We have the cable right here. You can see the listing has been updated to show the cable itself. It has the proper clevis for the Mark 1. It's got the proper size to go on the firewall. The adjustment actually sits about halfway when used with our mount kits. So it's perfectly good, like all the way up and down. On the other cables, it was pretty much all the way at the end. The ball is also the perfect size to get into the actuator, so there's no binding. We've actually seen some places where they bind. So all the little twerks and details have been addressed. This cable and the actuator on sale now, $199, limited supplies. So guys, get it now.